Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. For today's video, we're going to unbox this HP Smart Tank 795 all-in-one printer, wireless. This is a wireless, and the functions are printing, scan, copy, and fax. You can have it all that one in this printer. So we're gonna unbox now and set it up step by step, and it might be useful for you. It will be your guide. You can use this one whenever you are buying the same printer, and you can use this video to guide you to set up your printer quickly. So this is how it looks like, and we're gonna open and remove all the tapes or the covers. And the first thing we do is we should remove all whatever is in there. So this is the inks. First, this is, now we have to put the cable. These are the print heads. We're going to show you later on how to put it. And these are the inclusion inks. And we're gonna show you also later on how to refill the inks and how to put out. So these are the free inks that's included in the package. So this is the power button. So these are the ink indicators where you can look if your inks are needed to be refilled. You just only have to look in there. So now we're going to show you on how to put the inks. So as you can see, it's color coordinated. It's very easy to put. You can just put the yellow into the tank, of course, the magenta and the cyan and the black one. So these three are all together, and at the left side is the black one. Okay, so first we have to fill in the yellow. Then while filling it, you only have to keep on shaking it so that the ink will flow fast and it will not stuck. It will all go. So as you can see there, the indicator is filling it up, and you do not have to worry of overflowing because there is an indicator, and of course the bottle is just enough to the tank. Okay, so that's it. It's filled and it's already finished also in the bottle. So next, of course, is the magenta. We're just going to do the same as what we have done for the yellow. So again, you can see it's filling it up. It's going up on the indicator. It's showing it's filling up. So see, it's very easy to put. You only have to keep shaking so that it won't stop. Next is for the cyan. So if you don't shake it, it's really slow to be filled. Look at that. So shake a little so that it will go fast. So here on the left side, let's put the black one. So there are 4 inks needed only. That's by default. That's the standard. Only that colors for every printer: yellow, magenta, cyan, and the black. Now the black one has a bigger trunk. Okay, so now we are ready to plug and play. So let's power plug it. And next is for the network, since this one is wireless, so we need also a internet for this and a network. Now let's put the paper in the tray. As you can see here, you can adjust into any size of paper. As you can see in the tray. And that's it. That is the feeder where you can put when you scan or print or photocopy. At the top, that is the feeder. There is a flap also where now there is a screen there where you can control everything. It's a touch screen. Just read whenever there's an error or anything, you can just look at the screen there. Everything will pop it up. So that is so it says there that the print head isn't installed yet. So we need to install the print heads. First, to remove that one. These are the print heads. And this is how you will put it. Place it on the head. And the other one, there are 2 print heads required. And the second one. Just leave and just wait if it snaps. It means that when it snaps, it's already in the correct place. So again, let's continue. Let's look again on the screen. Align print heads. It's aligning now. Printing the alignment page. So everything. Now we're going to set it up. As you can see, it has to be set up also. Just follow everything that appears in the screen. So printing the alignment page. There you go, one down. We are done with that. So it's a success for the print head alignment. So this is scanning alignment. So everything here is alignment. So aside from the feeder, you can lift this one also. This is the flap where you can do scanning also if there's a delicate paper that you cannot allow it, you're afraid to be jammed, and so you can put it in the flap area where you can do the scanning also. Alignment completed, so we are done with the setup. So there are some more. If you are in an office, you can do also for the networking. You can all set it up here. So this is the menu that you can control everything from here. Also, you can scan from there. Aside from the computer, you can set up the Wi-Fi. You can scan from here. So everything is in there. So for me, it's good. It's great. It's a great use for family, and I don't recommend for office use because this is slow, a little bit slow. But one thing I love this printer is good in photo printing.